Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable two-step verification on Gmail. This is one of the most important security settings of your Google account, and it only takes a few minutes. Let's secure your account. Even if someone knows your password, two-step verification stops them from logging in. After you turn this on, Google will ask for your password and a code sent to your phone or an Authenticator app. Open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in. From the left menu, click Security and Sign In. Scroll down until you see how you sign into Google. Click Two-Step Verification. Google may ask you to enter your password again. This is normal. Option 1. Phone Prompt. Google can send a notification to your phone. Just tap Yes when you try to sign in. Option 2. SMS or call. You can also receive a 6-digit code by SMS or phone call. Option 3. Authenticator app. For extra security, you can use an app like Google Authenticator. This app generates codes even without internet. Click Turn on two-step verification. Very important step. Set up backup codes in case you lose your phone. Download or print these codes and keep them somewhere safe. That's it. Two-step verification is now enabled on your Gmail account. 3 quick tips. Don't skip backup codes. Don't share verification codes. And use an Authenticator app for better security. Your Gmail is now much more secure. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more simple computer tutorials. Comment below if you already use two-step verification. See you in the next video.